Hi, so I want to talk to you a little bit today about these press-on nails that I got. They're called Kiss press-on nails, Kiss Impress color. And I got this kind of neutral color here, sort of a pink color, mauve. One note, I was traveling a couple of weeks ago, and I had these French tips. And I could have redone this, but I don't know if this shows up well enough. But one of my bottles of nail polish came open in my luggage. Well, just in the bag that I had my nails in. And you see how acetone will totally corrupt your nail. So that's not going anywhere but the garbage. So just a word of warning, if you're transporting this with your nail polish remover, because that's how you get this off, put the nail polish remover in a different bag. All right, so we're going to use these. These are the press-on nails, and I like them. They work pretty well. These tabs come off, and there's adhesive stuck to the back of the nail. Well, I'm kind of clumsy, and they pop off pretty quick. You don't get a full week. I can't get a full week out of these wearing them with just the tab. So what I do is I went ahead and I purchased some extra glue, and this is one that came with the French tips, and so we're going to do that. So the French, well, I guess this is just a solid color, the Pure Fit. This comes with instructions. It comes with the world's smallest emery board. I have my nail file for this. Okay, and then it comes with this little push stick here that just kind of helps you push back all of your cuticle. Now, being on chemotherapy, I have metastatic breast cancer, and I have real sensitive eyes and sensitive skin to begin with, even before I started chemotherapy or anything, because I'm a redhead and I have blue eyes and all that. So makeup is kind of a no-go. I don't really do a lot of makeup. So I thought, you know, having to go through menopause and all that, I thought I would do something to kind of make myself feel a little bit more feminine, you know, like pretty nails. So yeah, anyway, my nails are kind of skeezy anyways. They're kind of ugly. But this makes it feel pretty. So just pushing back some of this cuticle. But yeah, eye makeup and stuff makes my eyes feel really, really heavy. And I've never had very good luck with wearing a lot of heavy makeup. So nails it is to look pretty and feminine. All right, so one of the things that you want to make sure of if you're doing this properly is, first of all, don't start with your thumbs. Leave your thumbs for last, because yeah, you need those. So I'm going to get rid of this. The first thing you want, once you get your cuticles handled, then it comes with the world's tiniest prep. This is the world's tiniest prep towel, right? So this is all they give you to do all your fingernails. I cleaned my surface with alcohol before starting, and you want to make sure that you get your nails nice and clean. If you bump them, make sure that you feel free to just, like, I have some extra rubbing alcohol nearby. Now, another thing that I noticed that helps this is when I'm working on my nails, I tend to find that just using some of this, just some nail polish remover on my nails first, seems to prep them a little better than the than the directions, you know, that one little pad that it gives me. So I just go ahead and go over each of my nails again with a little nail polish remover and let that dry. It takes like a second to do that. There we go. Okay, now I don't do this real often because this is a lot of acrylic, and acrylic is plastic and so forth, but it's my birthday this weekend, so we're doing it. All right, so generally what I do is I like to pick out, this came with like 30 of these. So I like to size them out first and make sure that they're gonna fit on my nails as I'm picking them out. So I have enough set aside here for both hands. We're gonna set the thumbs aside for last. I tend to start with my pinky finger. Because I've been on chemotherapy for about 2 years, I have some dryness and my nails are a little bit brittle. So occasionally I do this, but I've let my nails air for like at least a week before doing it again. And then I'll keep them on for about a week. So I can kind of go a week on and a week off with the nails. Okay, so this is the stuff that came with the the French tips that I showed you before. This is real simple. You just apply it. Well, this one's getting a little bit, but I just use like a drop and then use the tip of this to spread it all over my entire pinky, like the whole thing. I just give it the full coverage. And then I take off the tab for the pinky finger. And then the end that the tab came off of is the end that goes closest to your finger. And you go way over here. And then you hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's it. That's all it really takes to do it. So you want to make sure that all of it is covered. And then I have some Q-tips to go over this with some rubbing alcohol to get any extra of this stuff off. So any extra that's around your nail, I can get at that afterwards. So, and then again, I'm just going to go at the second one same way. Just put a drop of this onto my nails and then just spread it around with the tip of this thing. Yep. Oops. And then I'm pulling this tab off and sticking the end that had the tab onto the fingernail. And there, holding it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there you go. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of these, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so you can see I got 8 fingers done. My thumbs are not yet done. All right, so we have 2 nails left. I can get rid of this over here. Okay, so again, just applying some of this glue. Making sure that the full nail is covered, because if you don't cover the full nail, then some air can get in there and a little moisture can get in there and then all the trouble, right? So you want to make sure that the full nail is covered. And then again, putting this where the tab was, putting that up against the cuticle, pressing down for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. Good as new. Yeah. And then the last thumb. So, whoop, put on quite a bit of glue for this one. I expect it'll stick for a whole week. We're hoping. The packaging says not to wear it for more than a week. And so I really don't tempt fate. I don't need any extra stuff to deal with. So I don't go longer than 7 days. I know some ladies like to do this for longer, like a month. No. So then you press down for again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, voila. Nails. And they're pretty and they're easy. And these, for 30 of these, was like, I got them on sale on Amazon, so it was like $5.50. So can't go wrong, I guess. All right, that's my routine for that. If any of them have any edging that isn't smooth, or if I want to shape them, I just pull out my trusty file and go to town, and they file just like regular nails. So I think I'll just leave these. I'm not going to tempt fate. But yeah, okay. So if you're having difficulty with, you know, cute nails because of chemotherapy, if your nails get chipped like mine do or peel a lot, there's your solution. So you can have nice nails. All right. Take care. Have a wonderful day and be kind to yourself and others. Bye. So I forgot to do this before. Moment of truth. Yeah. Okay. So anyways, I really like these. These are my favorite new thing. And so if I'm doing a product review, I guess you know, I would give these at least, you know, a 9 out of 10. Maybe a 9 because they are a little, I don't know. I always feel like I need to reshape. I need to take some alcohol to some of these. I really went to town with the glue on some of these. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, otherwise I really like these. I like the length because my nails are generally short and I can still type and I can still get around and do things with the nails. So